ho, ho!
It's the 2nd of December and the second day of Vlogmas, and we are back with another video. Now, we said yesterday we were going to ask you a Christmas or Vlogmas question every day, and we'd like your answers in the comments below.
What is it? What is it?
What is it? It's have you got your Christmas tree up yet?
Ooh.
We've got our travel tree up, and we have got another Christmas tree downstairs.
But we'll show you that later. But back to the advent calendar.
Let's see where we are by opening the door.
Ho, ho, ho!
We're in the beautiful city of York in England. We enjoyed a fantastic 24 hours in York earlier this year. It's a stunning old city with incredible architecture. Let's start with a walk on the Roman walls.
These city walls are amongst the most complete and best preserved in England. They stretch for 2 miles and give some cracking views.
You read that on a sign, didn't you? We're used to walking the walls in Chester, where you can make an entire city circuit. These walls were built at a similar time and make for just as good a walk. There weren't as many ways down as Chester, but the views of the Minster from this section are brilliant. More of the old gates or bars still exist in York, and we came off the walls at Monkgate. There's the face of someone who's just learnt that bar is another word for gate. Down off the walls and back towards the Minster, York is a really walkable city. And talking of the Minster, let's visit that next. The Minster is the seat of the Archbishop of York, the second highest office in the Church of England. It costs £20 per person to visit, which is pricey, but we wanted to check this place out. The first record of a church on this site dates to 627. The bulk of this building, though, was constructed between 1220 and 1472. The Five Sisters window is known for its large expanse of 13th century grisaille glass. In the early 1920s, 2 women, Helen Little and Almira Gray, played a huge part in its restoration, and it now stands as a memorial to women who lost their lives in war. The choir stalls here are among the finest surviving examples of medieval woodwork in England. And the organ is one of the largest and most significant organs in the world. It's incredibly grand and imposing as a building, and undeniably beautiful. The stained glass is absolutely amazing. But how is this visit making us feel?
This visit has been really cool and I've really enjoyed it, and the stained glass is absolutely incredible. But I expected to feel more and I haven't. It might be a me thing, I don't know. Oh, the organ's just started up. But it's still been a really cool visit. And now the organ's on, let's check that out.
But this is all we got, as you weren't really allowed to film. Let's head back into York, and as this is Vlogmas, it's time we visited a Christmas shop. What have you found, Will?
When we were in Bruges last year, there was the Café Vulfart Christmas shop, but it wasn't open. It wasn't open until the day after we left. Just found one in York.
And he's going in. It's pitiful, isn't it? It was a beautiful shop, although I'm not quite sure what Christmas being that was. A gingerbread man, we think. There were beautiful themed sections, and Will's was as happy as, well, a Will's in a Christmas shop. What we didn't find, though, was a bauble that would remind us of our time in York. At this point, I got bored and went outside. Yep. I think next time we visit York, it will be at Christmas time. The whole city gives a really Dickensian Christmas vibe, especially the Shambles. This street is one of the best preserved medieval streets in Europe. It has some gorgeous little shops, and with every step you take, you feel as though you're walking further into a Grimm's fairy tale. Yes, the Shambles is beautiful. Some say it's the inspiration for Diagon Alley in Harry Potter. There's no proof in this, but you set up a potions or Harry Potter shop and watch the cash roll in. But leaving the Harry Potter shop behind, you'll never guess what Will's found next. Only another Christmas shop. So are you going in, Wills? Course he is. This Christmas shop reminded us of the one in Edinburgh, and our Travel Tree York bauble was found. On it were the Minster and the Shambles, and it was bought. What a gorgeous street. We definitely want to visit York again. In the winter. Maybe we'll check out the Christmas markets next year. Another really great thing to do in York is visit the Railway Museum. It was a bit of a trek of a one-way system, but finally we were there. Inside, you'll find one of the largest and most comprehensive collections of railway items in the world. I really wanted to show Wills the Mallard. She was built in 1938, and in that same year she broke the world record for the fastest steam locomotive at 126 miles per hour. That record still stands today. This is one of the Zero series of Japanese bullet trains. These trains revolutionised how the world viewed train travel. This train might hail from 1964, but it looks a darn sight comfier than the Avanti West Coast Flint to London, wouldn't you say? If you're a train buff, do come here. It's currently undergoing a £95 million redevelopment, and although it's brilliant now, it's going to be amazing. From blasts from our past to truly vintage locomotives, there's a train here for everyone. The history and story of each locomotive is displayed on boards alongside them. What's this one, Rach?
The KF17 is the largest train they've got here. It's massive. The wheels are the same height as me. I'm 5'8", wheels 5'8". It was built in Britain for China.
She's an absolute beast of a train. Thoughts?
That was so cool. I have been here before, but I think I was in primary school. We did a day trip here, and I really wanted to see the Mallard because that one blew me away even when I was a kid, to think that thing went so quick, so early. It's really good. I love it that it's free. I wouldn't expect anyone to go in for free. You should make a donation, but you don't feel cheated. You can pay what you want to pay. We did make a donation, of course, but really cool. We spent an hour 20 in there. There's so much to see. Flying Scotsman's not there. He's out on duty somewhere else. Durham, I think you said, didn't you, Wills? And yeah, highly recommend it.
And that's York. It was a lovely time. We especially loved a bit of booze by the ooze and watching York by night. But that's it for now. It's back to the Christmas tree we go.
Isn't York a really pretty city? We had a lovely time there, but we did get in a bit of trouble on our main video.
We did indeed. There's a thing called the York Ghost Merchants, and they made these little clay ghost things, and we had a bit of a joke, and we said they looked a bit phallic. They were very expensive for what they were. They look a bit like salt and pepper pots, to be honest. And we said this, and we got so many messages saying, don't diss the York Ghost, don't have a go at local businesses. And to be honest, I was shamed into buying one. And the other night, I found one online. I found one on eBay. Tiny little thing.
I know.
But I've got a York Ghost.
There you go. All the people who said to us, don't diss the businesses, we've now bought a York Ghost.
We've added to your business.
There you go. So that is that. Right, let's round this video. It looks a bit like a Christmas tree.
It looks a bit like a Christmas tree.
Anyway, enough of that. Let's round this video up. If you'd like this video,
if you'd hit that button and do the subscribe thing,
drop us a comment below. You stop playing with that. And as we say,
in Postcard and the Pint,
cheers. Cheers
to the good times. Woo. What do you call an elf who's won the lottery?
I don't know.
Wealthy.
Oh.